everyone. This is Young Lee from Smart Art by Young Lee. Ears are the face features, obviously important. Like with ear, we can hear the sounds. It prevents danger. We can listen to music, the voice of our loved person. Ears are not less important than the eyes or nose or mouth, but I still prefer to draw other features on the face or in the head. Maybe because the ears are not as attractive as the eyes or the mouth, or maybe in many cases the ears are hidden, especially women's have long hair and the ears are hidden in many cases. So yeah, I didn't have a lot of chances to draw the ear. This is just my personal stuff that I share with you. But I thought once I would like to explain and take time to make a tutorial videos about the ears, because for me to draw the ear realistic is not a problem. I mean, I could do this so many times, but I'd rather avoid and prefer the other features. But today we can study together the ears and its anatomy. I mean the external anatomy, because we don't have to know about the inner. So the name of this outer ear is helix, and the inner part, which comes out from the inner part of the helix, is antihelix. This bigger part, lower part of the ear, it's called lobule, and the most hard part, I guess, it's called tragus. So there are, of course, a lot of different names in each small corner and each small parts of the ear, but I guess we don't need to know all of them. I think these four could be useful to know. So let's get to start to draw the ear. So I put a little more time for completing the ear today. The ears and the nose grow until the day we die. You could probably recognize that old people, they sometimes have a very big ear, especially lobule. You could probably see that they have very big ears and a big nose. This was my tutorial video about the ear anatomy and also drawing process for the ear. I think I will make another tutorial video about the ears with different views. So I thank you very much for your watching and being with me until here. And I hope we can meet each other in another video. Thank you so much and have a good day.